How's it going, everyone? My name is Angelo, and for those of you who are watching this channel for the first time, this channel is all about spray painting, and today I have another landscape painting for you guys. So I was on Facebook recently and I joined these spray painting groups, and there was a post on one of these spray painting groups of a guy that drew a doodle, and the doodle looked like this right here. And he said in his little post that he didn't really think he could pull it off, so he decided to just share with everyone and to see who can make it or make art out of it. I'd never really tried making artwork out of a doodle before, so I just decided to just do it for fun. There was no real reason why I wanted to do it. I just wanted to test myself a little bit. I wanted to challenge myself just a little bit harder, do something I haven't really done before. But I'm actually really happy how this painting did turn out. There was a few things I could have done better, but I'm pretty satisfied. I really hope this painting satisfies you guys too. If you guys like this painting, make sure you hit the like button. And if you guys are visiting my channel for the first time, or if you visited my channel previously in the past and you like this content, consider unsubscribing to my channel. Also, if there's something that you guys want me to make for you, make sure you leave in the comments down below what you want me to make you, and I'll make sure to put your request on the request form. Also, click that notification bell to get notified for every video that I'll be posting up in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get the painting. Let's get painting, guys. I'm gonna have this photo out right here, right beside me, so I can just keep referencing it if I have to. Alright, that about does it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys liked it, hit the like button. And if you guys are visiting my channel for the first time, or if you've already visited my channel in the past and you like this content, consider unsubscribing to my channel. If you guys want me to make you something, make sure you leave in the comments down below what you want me to make you, and I'll put your request on the request form. Also, click the notification bell to get notified for every video that I'll be making in the future. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.